What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Sherpa. In today's video, we will review the best pellet stoves. During one of those cold seasons, you want a reliable energy source to burn and provide the much-needed warmth. And more often than not, wood pellets are the preferred fuel type. So, we've rounded up the best pellet stoves to provide enough warmth. Besides, these units rely on reliable fuel types for heat. We've even included more information in the links in the description below. So, here are the top 5 picks for the best pellet stoves. Comfortbilt HP22 Pellet Stove. The Comfortbilt HP22 is a popular pellet stove, not because of its modern appearance, but because of its powerful heat output. It produces 50,000 BTUs of heat, which is enough to warm your 2,800 square foot space. But this amazing space gets enough warmth under mild temperature conditions. Aside from its remarkable output, this pellet stove features a large bay view window. It also features a programmable thermostat that you can set for 7 days. Because this stove's heat output is controlled by a thermostat, the temperature stays the same and the stove uses fewer pellets. Also, this pellet stove features 5 power settings, and if you set it to the lowest setting, it provides continuous heat for 20 hours. Therefore, this is one of the best pellet stoves to last you through the cold nights, and to make sure your room stays comfortably warm. This pellet stove has a heat exchanger design aided by a powerful blower to distribute heat evenly. Additionally, the 55-pound hopper capacity guarantees the ash falls automatically into the large ash pan. Since this unit is highly efficient, it burns all the pellets. That means its removable ash pan only needs to be emptied once a week. The heavy gauge exterior is easy to clean, while the rear-mounted 3-inch standard exhaust port crosses out fumes. Also, the 2-inch standard intake port provides enough oxygen for combustion. If you need an EPA and CSA certified pellet stove, this might be it. However, it only offers a 1-year limited warranty on parts. Castle Pellet Stove. Castle Serenity Wood Pellet Stove is a reinvented unit featuring a heat exchanger inspired by the fins of air-cooled engines. Due to this reinvented heat exchanger, this pellet stove yields maximum thermal exchange while using less fuel, and this makes it very fuel efficient. This already earns it a spot among the best pellet stoves, but there's more. In more practical terms, this pellet stove has a 31,960 BTUs of heat, enough to warm your 1,500 square feet of living space, and it features a smart controller that allows you to set up a local thermostat. Also, you can set the heat output manually through 5 burn levels. In addition to manual and thermostat settings, this pellet stove also has weekly operating modes that work with your schedule to heat your home. Even more impressive is that this pellet stove delivers satisfying results while remaining compact and attractive. Its space-saving design makes it suitable for smaller rooms, while its modern design makes sure it complements your living room decor. Elegance aside, this unit is highly efficient as it provides maximum heat at reduced pellet cost. Also, it guarantees practicality. Cleaning your pellet stove is also convenient as it features no hidden chambers, grooves, or tubes. The 40-pound hopper capacity is impressive, while the electric ignition requires you to connect this unit to a 120-volt wall outlet. But it uses 77 watts of electricity to operate its electric functions. Even though it's an impressive pellet stove, it malfunctions after 5 years of using it. But it's an excellent choice all the same. US Stove GW 1949. First, this GW 1949 Wiseway from the US Stove features a design made from steel. Because steel is a high-quality material, it makes this pellet stove durable and, more importantly, high-performing. Aside from steel, this pellet stove has a design not found on the market. It uses a reinvented natural gravity feed system that makes sure this pellet stove has no mechanical parts for less maintenance and breakdowns. So this is one of the best pellet stoves for durability. Starting this pellet stove is straightforward. You will heat its burn chamber and flue with a propane torch. Then you will begin to see the pellet flow. Once this pellet stove burns, it yields 40,000 BTUs to warm 2,000 square feet of space. Apart from its immense power, this unit is attractive enough to fit into a variety of decors, and your living room will benefit immensely from its modern design. It is a safe pellet stove to warm your mobile home efficiently. Besides, it features an easy-to-read thermostat allowing you to regulate the heat output for optimal warmth in your mobile home or living room. To change how well this pellet stove works, you just open or close the air intake on the front of the stove. Also, this unit features a glass view window for seeing the flame traveling up the unit's body. What's more, the standard 3-inch pellet vent connects to 4-inch or 6-inch chimneys, and the 60-pound hopper capacity guarantees this unit delivers heat for 36 hours straight. This stove provides clean energy for warming your residential space since it only relies on pellets for heat delivery. Besides, it performs quietly, but it doesn't score high in technical support ratings. But still, it's an option you want to consider nonetheless. Cleveland Ironworks Pellet Stove. Even before getting into the nitty-gritty details of this Cleveland Ironworks pellet stove, it already impresses with its picturesque heating, and this makes it an excellent option for any living room space. Also, this unit has 3 big windows that let you see the beautiful flames and embers. Also, this stylish pellet stove makes sure you enjoy the crackling of the flames, bringing back good old memories to your contemporary home. The Bayfront pellet stove has a 66-pound hopper that can heat up to 2,500 square feet of living space. Additionally, this unit is compatible with smart home technology as it features built-in Wi-Fi. More precisely, it features a programmable digital thermostat with scheduling capability. And since it features Wi-Fi connectivity, it pairs with its app, supported by both the iOS and Android platforms. You can control it via the app on your smartphone or use the remote controller included in the package. The blower works efficiently and quietly to circulate heated air within your living room uniformly. This electric blower provides this pellet stove with more heat at reduced pellet costs, and this makes this unit EPA approved. The solid steel and cast iron materials also guarantee durability and excellent performance. At the same time, this pellet stove features an easy-access service area for hassle-free maintenance work. This unit even comes with a fresh air supply kit included. However, it comes poorly packed sometimes, but it's an option you want to consider regardless. Vogelzang VG5770 Pellet Stove. This Vogelzang VG5770 pellet stove is another unit you want to consider for many reasons. For one thing, it yields 48,000 BTUs of energy, enough to warm your 2,200 square feet of room. As if this compelling performance isn't enough, it has a fully automated operation with an auto ignition system. While it heats your residential space with enough heat, it features a space-saving profile, making it one of the best pellet stoves for smaller rooms. Also remarkable is that this unit rivals full-size pellet stoves with its impeccable heat output. Therefore, it's a powerful option for small living rooms. The top-mounted controls offer convenience, but the remote controller provides even more comfort. Also, this pellet stove is compatible with most wall-mounted thermostats for efficient control. The soft-touch buttons on the digital control panel make controlling this unit hassle-free and effortless. While the 60-pound hopper capacity holds enough wood pellets for extended heating periods reaching 30 hours, this unit allows you to control this hopper digitally from a control board. And that's possible due to the software built into the control board to deliver preset pellets to the burn chamber for combustion. This unit burns wood pellets efficiently, and it's an EPA-certified pellet stove. You will connect this unit to a wall outlet since it features an electric ignition system. Also, its combustion blower uses electricity to distribute heat evenly within your room. Additionally, this blower makes sure this unit burns all pellets, resulting in little ash. The 3-inch exhaust vent fits perfectly into most standard pellet vent kits. These features makes this one of the best pellet stoves. However, some components inside this unit aren't durable. That's the end of this review of the best pellet stoves. If you want to keep warm with a reliable fuel type, burn wood pellets to use their energy fixes. But this requires the best pellet stoves. Fortunately, finding the best unit is more manageable than before. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.